Hello everyone, I'm Stéphane Andrietti, Product Manager at AutoForm. And as you know, my core area of focus is the body-in-white assembly process. Through my webinars, I emphasize the value digital solutions bring to improving and optimizing every step of body-in-white assembly across the vehicle development cycle. Today, I would like to shift the spotlight to the early engineering phase when assembly feasibility studies are carried out. These studies typically take place 18 months prior start of production. I'm keen to present how simulations based on nominal geometries can deliver huge benefits by anticipating distortion of sub-assemblies caused either by the joining sequence and/or the hemming operation. By front-loading engineering efforts in this early feasibility phase, OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers can realize substantial benefits in achieving the dimensional accuracy of sub-assemblies. On Wednesday, March the 4th, I will have the pleasure to host a 30-minute live webinar in which I will present AutoForm solutions dedicated to body-in-white assembly. In this webinar, you will have the opportunity to gain valuable insights into the following key areas. Optimize the clamping concept and the definition of supports and pilots. Anticipate the root causes that lead to geometrical distortion and sub-assemblies out of tolerance. Identify the most leading parts and foresee their impact on the sub-assembly overall deformation. We offer 2 sessions on that day, so feel free to select the time that works best for you and sign up now to join the discussion. We hope to see you there to better perceive the full potential of digitalization applied to the body-in-white assembly process. Thank you very much for your time.